How to enable dark mode on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you enable dark mode on Facebook. In order to enable dark mode on Facebook, you want to make sure that your application is completely up to date and also make sure to check your internet connections. So now you need to log into your Facebook application. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu bar from the top right, scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Once again, click on the settings button. Over here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and click on the accessibility section. When you go to the accessibility, there you have this display, right? Click on it or click on the view section. And if you want to enable dark mode, simply select that. And this way you could enable dark mode in Facebook. Similarly, the other thing, if you don't want to do this lengthy procedure, you could simply swipe down from the top of the page and then you could enable dark theme on your device as well. So this is another way to enable dark mode in Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.